Hey guys, good morning from San Diego. It's me again, Jeri. Today is kind of gloomy. The weather is, look at the sky. It's kind of overcast today. And today is July 26th. It's Monday. It's only 8 a.m. You know, I hope it won't rain because we're already out and about. And we're just gonna be driving around San Diego to run some errands. My shirt is not ironed. I think I need to find a small steamer because our ironing board and iron is too big, you know, to set up every day. The other day I bought a pair of sandals from Walmart. So I like these sandals as well. Oh yeah, it's $15 and I tried it.
So there's 5 card-weighted sleeves.
9 to 10. Yep, let's try it.
Okay. Hey man, I like the sound of that. I like
So nice too.
No, it's not today.
And this is what I got. This is the $15 sandals. Like, nice. I saw some cute tops like $5 in there as well, so maybe next time I'm gonna do a haul. But I want to check some thrift haul here, but I'm still not certain about that because, you know, it's still pandemic. Yeah, so we're still trying to be safe. What else? So today is a review, another review of a bag, but it's not some kind of a designer bag. I'm gonna be showing you what's in my canvas tote bag. So this is the bag that I use every day since I came here in San Diego, because we're always out and about running errands, doing groceries, and just like driving around. It's easier for me to carry this bag and I love it. I love the color of this bag. I love the design. This is given to me by Ray. Thank you, babe. And this is from his alma mater. This bag is from University of San Diego. How much did you get it for?
17 bucks, 16 bucks.
Oh, this is only 17 bucks. I'm not sure if you can get it like from the stores though.
You can only get it from the
university
store.
Okay, so you can only get it from the university store. I have a couple of canvas tote bag which I got from different countries whenever we travel. I love having these bags, but the other ones I left in Dubai, so I only have this and the one from Phuket, which I always use when I was in Dubai, and I bring it here as well. So later on I'm gonna show you what's in my bag and what do I carry every day whenever we go out. So, this is just my outfit right now, and take a look of my sandals here. These sandals I bought from Walmart for $15, I guess, and it's very comfortable and I love how it fits my outfit. So now let's do the what's in my bag. Hey guys, so now we're going to rate my bag. So I'm gonna show you what's in my bag. So as I've said, this is my everyday bag. This is a tote bag from University of San Diego. Sir, just the key identify the area or key buildings in San Diego. I've never been to University of San Diego.
We'll take a tour there.
Yeah, I've been there once. We just drove by the building during the pandemic. Everything is closed, but I've seen the view from the university and it's amazing. So I would like to go there, you know, once it's open again. But yeah, right now let's start with what's in my bag. So first I have my mug with me. I always bring a bottle of water because now it's summer here in San Diego, and sometimes it gets too hot, so you don't want to be dehydrated. But right now, because since it's morning, I'm just having my Milo chocolate drink right now in here. They gave this mug to me from Haneda Airport in Japan, so it's always nice to like get something, you know, distinct from every country, right?
Yeah, it was only found in Haneda Airport Starbucks. That's it. I don't think you could find it in Japan at the other Starbucks. So you could only find that mug.
Look,
You
this is
only,
so cool.
You could only find the mug, that particular tumbler from the
and it matches my
Starbucks at the Haneda Airport.
It matches my bag too, the color of my bag. If you guys have a layover in Japan, in Haneda, go check out Starbucks there.
The domestic terminal, not the
that's
international.
one. And then I also have my... So this is a baseball cap or a running cap. I use it when I'm running, but I always like have this in my bag as well, because if I have a bad hair day, you know, sometimes I can't figure out what to do with my hair, so I always have this, you know, just put it and ta-da. You know, I don't have to worry about my hair. So that's number 2. And then I have my sunglasses here. I love these sunglasses because it's foldable. It's Ray-Ban. I don't think you can still find it in the store. It's a limited edition. So yeah, because this is very small, it's very handy, you know. Even if I have a small bag, I can carry this around. So this is my sunglasses. Next is I've got this mask holder, and inside it is I've got 2 masks. So we are still encouraged to wear a mask here, especially in places that are crowded, even though we are already vaccinated. Yeah, but sometimes, you know, when there's no people around, I don't wear a mask. I got vaccinated just like a week ago, and I'm going to have my second vaccine on August, so I still wear them. So I have this, and this case, my friend Jen gave it to me, and I think she got it online. Yeah, it's kind of cool to have this kind of case, right? And then next, of course, I have my wallet with me. I've had this wallet for a long time. I've been using it, I think, for more than 5 years already. Yeah, I love this wallet, and look at the quality. This is Charles & Keith. Charles & Keith is this is, I think, a Singaporean based brand. We have this in Dubai. I don't think they have it here in the US because I've been searching and I cannot find it. This is a really good brand. Look at the leather though. Been using it for more than 5 years, and it never looked old. See at the edges, even the edges still intact. So yeah, that's why I love this wallet. I have, of course, a tissue with me. I've got the battery bank. I need this because my phone is always running out of battery. Of course, I have this thing. This is a small pouch, and I just put my essentials here. I have my iPod, and it's only one because I lose the other pair. So I don't know how I can get the other pair though, so I'm just using one. And then inside it, I also have my hand lotion here. I also have my ponytail, my lip gloss, and then I have my cologne. Yeah, so that all fits in this small thing here. And this pouch, my friend gave it to me as a gift as well. You see, I have good friends. And then also I have sanitizer. So this is also important that we always need to have. So that's it. That's all what's in my bag. Normally, you know, I would carry a notebook and a pen, but we're just like out and about and we're gonna be going home soon, so that's just about it. My notebook is too big, you know, to carry. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you find it interesting. It's just regular items though, but just wanted to tell you that, you know, bags like these are really useful and stylish. Actually, you don't need to like buy a very expensive everyday bag. You know, this one will do the work, right? And it's only $17, but you know, get something like aesthetically nice like this. We're on our way to Walmart now. I'm just gonna buy some food. We ran out of eggs. Hey guys, look what I found here. This area right here has everything what I need. Look, they have pancit canton for $1. I think it's $1.
Can I please have cashier Mary?
Oh, this is 54 cents. I'm gonna get like 4. We can eat it later. And then they have lapas bachon. They have sky flakes here. And then they also have, look, their Ligo's totally different. I don't know. Maybe I could try one, right? Let's see how does it taste. Because it's totally different packaging though. I'm happy. I don't need to go to a Filipino supermarket anymore.
$0.54.
Yeah, not bad, right? How much is this?
98 cents.
Yeah, because it's expensive in the Filipino supermarket though. So this is the only one, right? The,
$1.61, so $10.92.
$10.92.
Alright, go ahead.
Okay. So we just finished our food shopping and look at this. Look that. I put everything in this bag. It's really very handy, guys. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.